In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app that's already on your device and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now before creating a new one, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings in the pop-up and operate all of those under alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you're ready, go back and click on this button with a plus to create your new alarm. Set up an hour and hit OK at the bottom right corner of Select Time pop-up. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now you need to adjust it however you wish to. At the top, select Add Label, name your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and hit OK to save its name. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to Pause Alarm. Pick them and hit OK to save them. To remove them, just click on Remove button right next to your setup date. Now click on this little bell. Download YouTube Music or Spotify, or hit Dismiss. If you want to use YouTube or Spotify, click on the chosen one at the top and log in to use music from it. If you don't, you can select Sounds, click on Add New, and look for any song from your smartphone over here to set it up. Just click on it and go back. You can also just apply one of those sounds. Now click on this icon next to Vibrate to turn it off or on. And in order to add your alarm to a previously established Google Assistant routine, use this plus icon right next to it. To hide all of those options, click at the top right corner of your alarm. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it and change whatever you want to. And to delete it, click on it again, and this time choose Delete button at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!